This is a movie that my son did, Michelle. Wow, look how tender that is. A beef brisket.
Oh, it's cutting at the end. It's not. It's like.
In the smoker. Is it hot, Tonya? Good?
Oh my god. Oh my god, still up his mouth.
Oh.
So it's.
Hold on a second. I just want to make sure no one gets sick.
Oh well, wouldn't want people to get sick off my cooking.
My God, that's a repeater. Huh? Maybe I should try it again. Huh? Huh? I'm gonna try it again. I am. Oh God, it's hot, so hot. Whew. Oh God, his finger looking good, but it's so freaking hot.
Well, I have to try, Peasley.
Oh my God, I wonder if Dad can try one. Oh. Hon,
What?
you have to try this. Just try it. Oh, it's finger licking. Don't dirty your fingers. Good, huh? Oh, he's playing this game. He's not paying attention. I gotta go back. I gotta go back to my little grass shack in Cape Breton. Oh, he ain't gonna have any left.
Yeah.
Maybe leave the rest.
But it has been resting.
Yeah, but
I know what you mean.
I don't know. What do you think? Huh? Just like Nico would say. Is it Nico, that chef? You're
don't know his
better than
name.
him.
And then look on here.
Oh, fudge. Look at that. Wow. Double whammy. Okay. I got 2 minutes.